The local guy will do most of their business with primary residences, so they aren't in tune with the second home occupancy loan. So when you go to them and you mention, yeah, we're looking to buy an investment property, they automatically go to the investment property loan. Or if you mention, I want to buy a home that I'm going to rent out, automatically in their mind, they go to investment property.
Welcome to the STR Home Financing Podcast, where we believe a legacy is something you build, not just something you leave behind. And now, here's your host, Jeff Chisum.
Hey, this is Jeff Chisum with STR Home Financing. Welcome to episode 12. Today, I'm going to talk about the subject or the situation circumstance where you are working with a local area in the destination area that you're looking to purchase in. And through your initial conversation, they say, are you pre-approved? And leads you to proposing that you talk to their local guy. What does that mean? They may not explain it because there may be some behind the scenes reasons why they would make that suggestion. So I want to cover that today. What does that really mean when the realtor says, hey, you really need to use a local lender? You need to talk to my guy. What I have found, and I've been originating for 15 years, this topic has come up many, many times. I've seen it lead to places that weren't favorable for the buyer. And it is so important in this space that you are dealing with an expert when it comes to financing a vacation home or short-term rental. So what they really mean is, I have been in situations where someone has used their lender of choice and things went south. So, they weren't on time with things. I couldn't get a hold of them. I didn't know them. I didn't trust them. And I've worked with this guy. I know his phone number. I know he can get the deal done on time, or he has access to local appraisers. I don't know if this person does. So a lot of times those experiences will be with the big guys, the big banks. I'm not going to mention those, but you probably know who they are. They do banking really well. They do mortgages on the side, and they don't do them well. So they don't meet close times. They have 1-800 numbers to call to reach them. And realtors don't like that. If there's an issue or if they have a question, then they want to be able to pick up the phone. A lot of times they are not kept up date with the process. They don't like that. With local mortgage guys, they leave the impression that they have access to local appraisers, that they can get out there quicker than anyone else, and they find comfort in that. So the truth behind it is, and I will speak specifically to my team, that 100% of our business is working with clients that are buying in this asset class. So we are experts when it comes to the products, what it takes to get things done in these deals. And so what that looks like is we've seen situations where the local guy will do most of their business with primary residences, so they aren't in tune with the second home occupancy loan. So when you go to them and you mention, yeah, we're looking to buy an investment property, they automatically go to the investment property loan. Or if you mention, I want to buy a home that I'm going to rent out, automatically in their mind, they go to investment property. So you're going to be led to a product where you have to put down typically 20 to 25% down with a higher interest rate. I've seen it, not a good situation. The other one is appraisers. We have access to appraisers that can be out there in every market just as fast as anyone else. When we get someone pre-approved, we automatically make a connection with the buyer's agent, or once one of our clients knows who their buyer's agent is, we make a connection with them. We let them know we're going to set them up with a portal that they can access 24 hours or 7 days a week to generate their pre-approval letter for you. We let them know about our communication throughout the process to make sure that they're in tune with what's going on and they're not left in the dark. Also, let them know about a call that we make to the listing agent to let them know how qualified our client is. So if it is a multiple offer situation, we give that listing agent assurances that they have a very well qualified buyer making an offer on their property. So we just give that buyer's agent assurances that they're dealing with experts in the space, that our communication is going to be at a level that will not leave them in a dark, and we give them confidence that we're going to be here when they need them. So it erases a lot of those question marks, a lot of those past experiences that they had that would lead them to tell you, hey, check with my local guy. So hopefully that helps. I guarantee you it will come up, and I want you to be equipped so you put yourself in the best possible position to be successful. Until next time, take care.
Jeff Chisum is a registered mortgage loan officer, NMLS 673623 for Northpointe Bank NMLS 447490. Northpointe Bank is an equal housing lender. All programs and products discussed on the show are subject to change without notice.